Okay, today I'm going to be recording the instructions for Dreamweaver Chapter 4, Apply Your Knowledge, which is on pages 254 and 255 in your textbook. If you want to see an example of the finished product, take a look at page 254. For this chapter, we're practicing adding tables and forms. So for this project, we're going to be adding a table to a new HTML web page. So this is not a full site, just a page. You go to Create New, HTML, and a blank page pops up. We want to make the document title as Schedule. And then I'm going to save this in my Chapter 4 folder. So File, Save As, go into your personal drive, your Web Design 2 folder, go into Chapter 4, and call this document Apply 4 because it's Chapter 4.html. It does not need to be in a folder, so then you just hit Save. Okay, we're going to type up a heading. The heading is going to be Class Schedule. I want to select that heading and go to Format, Align, and Center. And I want to make the paragraph format heading 1. So it makes it big and bold. Alright, after that heading, you're going to hit Enter. We want to insert a table here. So go to Insert, Table. The table is going to have 6 rows, 4 columns, a table width of 620, border thickness of 1 pixel, cell padding of 4, a header at the top. It has no caption and the following summary. Alright, then you can click OK. Now it says to change the width of the first column to 190. So I'm going to drag until the number at the top reads 190. I want the width of my second column to be 95, so just changing that slightly. The width of the third column here will be 210. If you want to insert columns or clear column widths, you can do that by right-clicking or clicking on this little drop-down. I want to make the width of the third column 210. And the width of the final column we're going to leave at 73. Okay, then you're just going to type in the information as follows. If you can't read what I'm typing, you can go to your book, page 254. Oops, I'm going to make this web programming 1. And then the next class, web programming 2. I'm going to undo because I don't like how that row got a little bit big. Okay, so there we have a typical college student schedule. After you've typed in the entire schedule, I'm just going to have you click underneath and type in your name here. If your table didn't align to the center, you're going to go to Format, Align, and make sure it is centered. And, oops, that's not what I wanted to do. I'm going to undo. I want my whole table aligned to the center. I believe it already is, but if not, make sure your sizing handles show up and go to Format, Align, and Center. All right, you can now save any changes you've made. Preview that in Internet Explorer or Chrome. And that is all for Web Design, Chapter 4, Apply Your Knowledge.